Advice for housing your birds. Poultry and captive bird housing measures apply from the 29th of November 2021. If you keep poultry or other captive birds, follow these tips about housing to protect them against avian influenza. If you don't have a purpose-built building, you could make use of existing buildings such as barns, farm sheds, outbuildings, garages and garden sheds and adapt these for your birds. Build a lean-to. Ensure there is adequate light and ventilation. Any openings must be netted to prevent wild birds gaining access. Use netting to keep wild birds out if you cannot house your birds. If you keep ducks and geese, they must be kept separate from other poultry species. Search avian influenza at gov.uk.